Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how I created this one-page website using just ChatGPT and Claude Design. So let's take a look at the site and see what we have here. So you can see we got this really nice hero section. As I scroll down, the header sticks to the top. We have all of these really nice intersections on our website. And then we come down here to the footer. So this is just a one-page site. You can see these navigation links do work. They take you right to each section of the site. So the way that I created this, first I actually had started out with ChatGPT. I told him I want to make a one-page design with Claude. I want the website to have full site editing abilities. That's called FSE. So this way you can edit the text, the colors on your site without having to touch any code. I did mention that I want all of my CSS stored separately. I don't want any inline CSS styling. This is really important because if you don't mention this, the AI models will usually try to put CSS, it'll kind of embed the CSS into the HTML code of the site, and it gets really messy that way, and it's not really scalable. So that's really important to mention that. And then I just basically said I want a theme that I can just import into my site. ChatGPT gave me this super long prompt right here. So I copied this entire prompt, pasted it right into Claude Design, and then Claude Design created the website design that you're looking at right now. As soon as he was done working, you can see right here where he started doing all of his work. And then when he was completed with this design, I told him, hey, give me a downloadable theme file so I can import it into my site. He gave me the downloadable file, but then I realized I forgot to give images, because initially these images that you're seeing here, like all these dogs, they were just empty placeholders. So I went to Unsplash, took some free images, attached them here in the chat, and then I gave them to Claude, and then he created me a new downloadable zip file. So I'm going to show you how to import that zip file into your site. So I'm going to go over here. This is a fresh install of WordPress that you're looking at right here. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And you can see right here under Appearance and Themes, we don't have any themes in here other than these default themes. So I'm going to click Add Theme, Upload Theme, and then we'll attach the zip file right here from Claude, install now, and then we'll click Activate. All right, and there's our theme. It's activated. We'll click here to visit our site, and you can see our website design right here, and you can see all the navigation links work perfectly. So here we are with our new website design. And then of course now, like maybe there's things that we want to adjust on the site, like this text here is kind of muted out. Maybe we want to change it to white to make it easier to read. So you can easily edit your site. Just click Edit Site at the top, and then just scroll to the section that you want to change. So like right here, we can click on this section, click Edit Pattern, highlight the text that you want to change, click Text, and then just choose the color. These are the colors in your color palette for your theme. So you can choose any one of your theme colors right here. So we'll go with like white, and you can see now it looks better. We can even maybe bold it up if we want. We can change this one to white as well. Maybe we want to maybe change these cards right here. So we can click on this section, click Edit Pattern, and then we'll just click here to change the background color, and we can go with like this cream color right here. That looks good. So we can change that for all of them. And then you can even edit like your text on your site. So if you want to change like your text right here, you can just put, more text right here. You can edit all of these fields right here as well. Pretty much anywhere you want to change text on, you can do that. And then, of course, if you need major design changes, you can just go back to Claude, tell them what changes you want, and then re-import your theme file back into WordPress. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.